Just arrived another stunning, well-priced, new generation Range Rover Sport. 3-litre diesel, SDV6 in Santorini Black, ivory leather, sliding panoramic sunroof, 21-inch diamond cut wheels, side steps, privacy glass. Most importantly, it is priced and going to be priced in a really competitive price range. This car is going to be in the £50,000 to £60,000 price range bracket. So the PCP figures are fantastic. This is the latest model car as well. So if you go and order a new Range Rover Sport and pick it up today, this is exactly the same shape you will get. You'll get the same dynamic lights at the front, the same styling. I touched on it earlier on the wheels. So what I like about this car, it's just hasn't been, sometimes when cars come in, wheels will have been done black. They'll have changed the wheels. Now these are 21-inch, factory fitted, diamond cut, silver polished with a grey insert, and they're from factory. Right size wheels, the car performs correctly with them wheels as well. Fixed side steps, privacy glass on the back, and it's just a lovely car. As you can see, HSE SDV6. The sliding panoramic sunroof is very important. It's an expensive option because I'd probably say 60–70% of the sports we buy and sell have all got glass roofs but fixed. So this car's got the sliding roof. So when I move on inside, I will show you. It's all keyless entry. So you walk to the car opens, and then you get a beautiful interior which breaks it up lovely. So you've got all the ivory in the door cards, you've got your Meridian sound system, you've got your memory seat, you've got your full heated electric leather inside. That ivory runs all the way through the dash. You've got a lighter headlining as well. So the car is broken up beautifully, and then you've got that sliding sunroof. So Santorini Black on the outside, ivory inside, and it just makes the car feel nice and airy inside. Specification as standard, so you get things like you've got your ceramic steering wheel options there, so you've got your cruise control. If we go into here, you've got your touchscreen digital heated seat option, your digital climate control. If we slide along, you've got your Apple CarPlay, you've got your reversing camera, and you've got your general features that you'd expect, your DAB radio and all your apps. Air suspension, we can adjust the suspension up and down, all your USB charging points. But this car is priced in a really competitive price range, and I said that at the start. If you want figures on this, you'll get tremendous figures. In the back, you've got rear heated seats for the rear passengers. You get your Meridian speakers built into the back as well. And we sell so many Range Rover Sports. I'd probably say they're our #1 selling Land Rover, probably new generation Defenders in the sports, because they appeal to everyone. They appeal to men, women, families. They're a nice size, they're practical, they look the part, and they're not too big as well. Great boot space. As you can see, you can drop the suspension down if required. And this will just be another car which will go live on our website. You can see from our social media how quickly our cars come in and sell, and this will be another prime example. If you want to call me direct, my number's on the bottom of the screen. I can answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching.